One of the most important investments you'll make in Operations Manager is creating overrides for your sealed management packs. I've opened a file-based copy of the Windows Server 2012 Monitoring MP, and let's select Rules. To create an override, simply right-click on any element and choose Manage Overrides. This will display the properties available. In this case, I've got 1, and we can modify that value to true. Let's try another one. Right-click, choose Manage Overrides. Here we have a couple of additional properties available. We can also modify any of these. Apply those. We're storing those overrides in the only unsealed management pack in that folder on my C drive. So all these changes are safe. I'm not going to start generating alerts because I'm working offline. Now let's try something with monitors. This time we'll go in and we're going to select several monitors. We've got about 10 selected. This time when I right click and choose Manage Overrides, MP Studio is only going to display the common properties. This is referred to as bulk override management. I'll check each of these properties. Let's disable each of these monitors and we'll modify the other properties. This bulk override will be applied to all the elements. In other words, all the monitors I've selected in the background. So we could be creating new or modifying existing overrides there. Bulk override management is the fastest way to customize overrides. And that's now complete. Next, let's take a look at editing the override management pack itself. We can customize the grid, select multiple overrides, and do a bulk delete. You can also author knowledge. No need for Visual Studio or Office in order to do that. And one final type of edit right from the unsealed management pack is to choose Edit Override and select the value you want. Now that we've created all these overrides, we may wish to share that configuration with other stakeholders, so we can select the referencing overrides and use the Export to Excel toolbar button to create a nice, neat, tidy spreadsheet showing all the overrides that we've created for this management pack. If we document the entire management pack, we can create a nice, neat, tidy spreadsheet or workbook here showing each element. When it comes to overrides, for example, if I select the monitors worksheet, we can see each individual monitor and the overrides that we've created for that monitor, as well as the configuration. Same holds true for rules. Here we can see each rule, and in the shaded blue section just below, we can see the configuration of the overrides. Now that we've created our overrides, another important task would be to test this management pack. Testing the management pack will show us the 20% of the rules and monitors that will generate 80% of our alerts, and we'll want to go in and further tune those overrides. Another best practice in MP Studio is to be sure and check in the override management pack into the stored database after making changes. Here's the override management pack we edited. It gets compared to the previous copy in the stored database, increments the version, shows the number of additions, deletions, and changes. And then we can see a preview of the audit history down below, including the time of the change, who made the change, as well as previous and new values for anything that was changed. We can add some comments in here, click Save, and that'll add one more copy of that override management pack to the stored database. From here, we can choose to deploy the new management pack, and if we needed to restore a previous version, we could delete the one in the management group and simply deploy the older version of that management pack. One final step is to take a look at the audit history for this override management pack. You can very easily see who changed what and when. This would be an awesome report to export to Excel and share with change management committees or your managers. As you can see, managing overrides in MP Studio is really easy.